birds, man. Seeing what kind of pelagic birds get blown in with this storm. But yeah.
You're not worried about being out on a pier in the middle of a storm like this?
Nah.
Why not?
Not that bad.
Safer here than anywhere else.
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Safer here than most other places, right? This is beautiful. This is nature at its best. Are you
Yeah,
kidding
man.
me?
Yeah.
This is a positive experience. There's nothing negative about this.
Try and catch a fish. Nothing doing so far though.
A lot of people might say this is a little dumb.
Where there's water, there's fish.